Introducing our Glow Revive Lotion by K&K Be Chic and Classy Essentials. Benefits of our Glow Revive Lotion: deep moisture and hydration, helps whiten skin with UVA UVB protection, instantly soft skin, lasting nourishment, and it's a 4-season formulation. Zero white cast, face and body lotion po to. Scent is sobrang refreshing. This is our K&K Be Chic and Classy Essentials Perfume Lotion. This is a perfect lotion for 4-season, winter, spring, summer, and fall. Ang ganda niya din i-mix sa Fafuti Lotion by K&K Be Chic and Classy Essentials din. Iilan lang to na positive feedback ng mga users din natin. Kaya be one of us na, be one of our dealers and unlock your area. K&K Be Chic and Classy Essentials.